This tutorial shows how to set up a GitHub account, get a GitHub Student Developer Pack, and register a free .me domain name from Namecheap. To start, open a search engine and type GitHub Student Developer Pack, then click on the top link. On the next page, click the top right blue button that says Get Your Pack. Then scroll down to Get the Student Benefits and click the button. You'll have to create an account on GitHub. Enter your student email and then create a strong password. Next, you'll need to enter a username for your GitHub account. Then type Y or N if you want to get email updates or not. You have to answer the questions to a little visual puzzle to prove you're not a robot. Finish the puzzle and then click Continue. You'll get a verification code in your email. Copy this code and then type it into the verification spot. Once you are verified, you will have to select the number of people on your team and select that you are a student. Select the Just Me and Student options, and then you can check any of the checkboxes or all of the checkboxes for the things that you might be interested in. Then click Continue. Now you're ready to apply for your GitHub Student Benefits. Scroll back down and click Apply for your GitHub Student Benefits. On the next page, click the Get the Pack button. We now have an account, so this time we'll see a different screen here. You will see your email, and then at the bottom, you type in how do you plan to use GitHub. You can type learning to code or make a website, and then it'll take an hour to 15 days for the submission to be approved. At some point in time, check back on the GitHub site. Click Get Your Pack, then click Get Student Benefits. Then, if you see this green box, that means you're approved. If you are approved, then click Benefits at the top right part of the screen. Then scroll down to Namecheap. Click on the link that says Namecheap, and then you need to authorize Namecheap to connect to your GitHub account. Click Authorize Namecheap. Then you'll be redirected to Namecheap. In the box in the middle of the screen, type the domain name you want for your website and then click Find. It will tell you if it's available or not. If it's available, click the free add button. You'll see it in your cart for $0. Then complete your order. On the next page, it is very important to make sure you click this radio button to connect GitHub Pages. This will set up your website for you on GitHub Pages. Then type in your student email and click Finish Up. Instead of logging in, you need to register an account because you don't have a Namecheap username. So click Register. Here you need to type in your name and an actual mailing address and phone number. Then click Create. Then confirm your order. Now click Set up your GitHub account. This will take you back to GitHub. Then go to your GitHub profile at the top right of the screen. Click on Repositories at the top. Then click the blue default repository. Then click Add File. It's up near the green code button. Create a new file labeled as index.html. Then, next to the number 1 type Hello World or some other sentence you want to see on your website. Click the green button at the bottom to commit changes. Now you'll be able to see that text once your website is set up. Click on Settings, then click on Pages in the bottom left sidebar. You'll see that your site is almost ready to be published in the blue box, but you'll notice that there will be some error messages in yellow and red. It takes a few minutes to set up everything, but GitHub is working with Namecheap to set it up. Check back at a later time and eventually your screen will have a green check mark indicating that setup is complete. After that, you should be able to type in your domain name into a browser or into your cell phone and see the text that you entered in the previous steps. After this, you will learn how to code and publish a one-page portfolio website.